In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite folders in Canva. If you've been using Canva to organize your creative projects efficiently, you might find yourself with many folders. Favoriting folders can help you access your most used items quickly and streamline your workflow. It's a simple process, but one that can save you significant time if you often revisit certain files or designs. First, let's start by heading over to Canva. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to click on Projects. This section is essentially your main hub for all your design materials and organizational tools. You'll find this option usually on the left-hand side of your screen in Canva's main dashboard. It provides a convenient overview of every project you've been working on or have stored. Now, once you're inside the project section, you'll see a list of all your saved folders. These folders might be full of designs, assets, or templates that you've grouped together based on different themes or purposes. Now, it's crucial to navigate through these folders as they are the focal point of today's tutorial. Take a moment to scroll through and decide which folder you would like to favorite. Once you've identified the folder you wish to prioritize, hover your cursor over that specific folder. You won't need to click just yet. Instead, pay attention to the icons or options that appear as your mouse hovers. You should notice a small star icon appearing on the folder. This star icon is the key to marking your folder as a favorite. It usually pops up in the corner of the folder's preview or beside its name. Go ahead and click on that star icon. When you click the star, it will turn into a filled-in star to indicate that this folder is now marked as a favorite. This change means the folder will be much easier to find next time because it will be prominently featured among your list of files. You'll be able to access it quickly without having to sift through potentially dozens of other folders. Favoring folders not only brings your important projects to the forefront, but also helps in reducing the tedious task of searching through multiple folders. This small step can greatly enhance your productivity, allowing you to focus more on creativity rather than file management. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to favorite folders in Canva. Utilizing features like these will help you keep everything organized and accessible, making your design process smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, organizing your digital workspace can be as crucial as managing your physical one, and features like this are designed to help you do just that. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.